What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I want to do a bike check on my Colt Biggie build. I built it up back in March. It was on my old raw setup from the last video, but I wanted to run some of these parts and put it together. It looks nice the way it is, so let's start with this bike check. For the grips, I got S&M BTM grips, and then I got Odyssey Parins, and then I got Primo rebars size 10. I forgot the width. Shadow Mark Burnett stem, and for my headset I got a Fiend headset. For my forks I got some Shadow Inceptive V2 forks in chrome. I got it off the homie when I was in New Mexico. For the front wheel I got a Merit Battle Complete wheel with hub guards, and then I got Cinema DAC pegs 4.75. I got a Fit FAF tire in 2.4. And for the frame, like I said, it's a Colt Biggie frame, Devin Smiley signature frame, 21-inch top tube. I forgot the rear end on it, but it's a little bit longer than my other frame. Coming towards the seat, I got a Fit seat. I got a Shadow seat post. Coming down to my cranks, I got some Shadow Killer cranks 170, Primo turbo pedals, Colt Member V2 sprocket 25 tooth. I got a Shadow interlock chain. For my rear wheel, it's an old wheel. It's a Theory cassette hub, left-hand drive, laced up to a Primo VS rim. For the hub guards, I got an Animal drive side, and then for my non-drive side I got my old Shadow hub guard. I got another set of Cinema DAC pegs 4.75, and then another Fit FAF tire in 2.4. Well, this is the bike. I like it a lot. So far I'm going to keep it with this color scheme, and I might switch it up later on this year, but I'm not sure. But here we are at one of our old riding spots. Well, one of our spots that we ride. But yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos, and I got some riding clips as well. So here's some riding clips, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.